Describe something you had to share with others. May to August 2025. 7-band cue card. Idioms use. Linkers. Easy idea. Important vocabulary. Bullet point. What it was. Who you shared it with. Why you had to share with others. And explain how you felt about it. One item I had to share with others was my laptop. I shared it with my younger brother during the time when both of us were attending online classes from home. This happened during the COVID-19 lockdown when schools and colleges were closed. We had only one laptop in our house, so we had to use it one after another. Sometimes our class times were the same, so we had to adjust and even miss part of the lesson or use a mobile phone. I had to share it because it was the only good device for attending online classes, doing homework and submitting assignments. Buying a new laptop wasn't possible at that moment due to financial problems. At first, I felt a bit annoyed because I couldn't use the laptop whenever I wanted. But later I understood the situation and started helping my brother too. We made a schedule and followed it. It helped us avoid fights and manage time better. In the end, I felt happy and proud that I could share something useful. It taught me to be more responsible, patient, and helpful. Sharing the laptop also made our bond stronger. Important vocabulary used. Online classes, lockdown, adjust, financial problems, annoyed, schedule, responsible, patient, helpful, proud. Idioms explain. On the same page. Agreeing or having the same understanding. We made a schedule and followed it, so we were always on the same page. Bite the bullet. To accept a difficult situation. I had to bite the bullet and share my laptop, even though it was frustrating at first. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.